Today we will make English teaching plan for class 3. At the end of the video, you will get the complete teaching plan. Teaching plan consists of 4 columns: date, class, subject, time at the top. Below that, learning outcome. The child is able to recite poems from the textbook with correct pronunciation. The child is able to recite poems with proper action and gesture. The child is able to understand the simple instructions and statements. The child can talk about good and healthy habits. Below that, topic: early to bed. Required material: textbook, pictures, Diksha app, colored chart paper of early to bed photo. Teaching learning process and activities. 3 columns are there: steps, time, assessment. Under the steps, in the beginning of teaching. In the beginning of poem, teacher will ask some questions like: when do you get up in the morning? At what time do you sleep? Do you sleep only at night? What happened if you didn't sleep at all? Could they work or play all time? It takes 5 minutes. Conversation and observation in the assessment column. During teaching. During teaching, teacher will read the poem with proper actions and gesture. Children will repeat with the teacher. Once the poem will complete, teacher will explain the meaning in interesting way so that children totally involves. During the explanation, teacher will ask some questions to ensure that the children are understanding the meaning of poem. To make the class interesting, teacher also show material available in Diksha app. After teaching, the teacher will ask some questions: when should we sleep? When should we wake up? Etc. It takes 5 minutes. Observation in the assessment column. Activity. Activity is very important to make the class interesting. The teacher will tell the beautiful story of Rip Van Winkle, who slept so long he wake many years later. Or teacher will make the circle of children and do the poem or recite the poem in the interesting way. Homework or assessment column. The teacher will ask to learn the poem from the home. Upcoming teaching plan. According to the children learning outcome, the teacher will decide her upcoming teaching plan.